back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I've last posted on this channel. A lot has happened. A lot has been going on since the last time that you all have seen me. I now am the owner of JoLeshiaV.com. So make sure you guys click the link in the description box for www.JoLeshiaV.com. So I do custom tees, custom designs, like wood designs, canvas designs, anything you think of, you name it, you let me know you and bring your ideas to life. So again, make sure you guys just check out the link in the description for that. But everybody and their mama been trying to start a business, and quite frankly, starting a business is not a cheap thing to do. So I personally have been trying to be as cost efficient as I possibly can be, showing you guys what I do, like different things that I do to save money while, you know, surviving a business. I am going to dive right in. Period. Here we go. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I personally create my thank you cards that go into each one of my packages. Like, I'm trying to do it so simple, so simplistic. So, you know, as you read by the title, I managed to do this by only spending $1. So let's get started. I'm about to dive into Canva and create this design. Like I said, I am just gonna make it as simple as possible, where I just say thank you guys for shopping with me. Thank you for your purchase. And I am probably gonna add a discount code that customers can use at a later date. Is for a one-time use, two-time use. You know, that'll be something that I decide for my website. And that's something that you can decide on your own as well. But like I said, don't be expecting it to be too crazy of a design, because I'm just gonna keep it as simple as possible. But yeah, so I will show you guys my finished product, and then we'll move on to the next step shortly after. Right now in the process, I try to, before I just get to going with like creative design, because I don't know about y'all, but I personally get super caught up with, oh, let me do the colors and let me figure out a pattern to put on here. I get too caught up in it, which then leaves me to be less productive, because now I'm sitting up here worried about what shade of pink to use, when I really need to be figuring out what do I want to write on here. So what works best for me is to go in here and on this blank canvas in all its glory and just write out everything that I am trying to say. So I don't change font, I don't change the size, color, nothing like that. Leave it as is, and just flat out write out what it is that I want my thank you card to say, or my business card to say, or who knows, whatever it is for you. Download this as a PDF file. I'll download it straight to my computer, and here it goes. It pops up. Hope you loved your JoLeshiaV purchase as much as we love creating it for you. Please insert that same picture. Thank you, video. And I'm just gonna resize it. I'm gonna resize it because I really need for this to, as you guys can see right here, is the thank you note. And I just copied and paste, and you see I should get 2 on the same page. So boom, there we go. So y'all are probably trying to figure out what's tea with me and why in this title it says We're gonna make these business cards for only $1. We just made this business card here on Canva for free. As you notice, it didn't ask you to pull out your credit card one time. So sis, it is a free design app. No, this video is not sponsored, but Canva, shout out. You know, I see y'all see me. Anyways, it is a free design service, and that would be like your alternative for Photoshop, InDesign, all of those Adobe, which are great. But I'm just saying, if you balling on a budget like me, then you want to use the free design space here. But here go your dollar, girl. I went to Dollar Tree and I bought photo paper that I'm about to show you guys. This photo paper right here, sorry, it's kind of blind. Okay, so this photo paper right here, I found it at my local Dollar Tree. 8 sheets in here, 8.5 by 11, and it is the premium gloss paper, like your card to be glossy on the front, matte on the back. So, and that was the look that I was personally going for, because to me it don't give too cheap. I'm gonna show you guys how I print off this one that we just made here together. I have already filled my printer with the glossy paper. You would do it as you would normally, add in paper, nothing's different about it. Okay, and as you can see here in the preview, I have my 2 up and ready to go on one page. Okay, so now we have it, and this is what it essentially will look like. So you guys absolutely do not have to purchase one of these, but if you do, it is a paper cutter. I believe I got mine from Walmart for $11 or $12, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use this, but I'm just pointing that out, that you absolutely can get a paper cutter, and it has a extremely precise cut here at the bottom. But for the sake of only staying under $1, I am going to just use my handy dandy scissors, which I know we all just have sitting at the house anyways, so it's not an additional cost to you. Hey, if you got a steady hand, you go, girl. If you don't, hey, we about to make it work. So I'm just going to cut around these photos as best I can. Here we go. 2 perfectly good thank you cards. You can tell right here it is glossy on the front and matte on the back. So for my next 2 orders that I will be packaging, I will be adding these into it. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, everything in between. Any logos or anything like that that you may want on a t-shirt, on a pillowcase, on absolutely anything, y'all go to JoLeshiaV.com. It'll be the first link down in the description box. Hit up your girl. I'm gonna be doing more videos like this to take you guys along the journey of my brand new business. Thank you guys so much for watching this again. Bye.